Good to see you here, Namgil again, to host you along with the dishes we are going to show you today. This is the third episode we are going together, and I hope today's dish will also enthrall you, which has been done before. So, what we're going to show is still a secret, like always. We're going to go inside and explore, but I just wanted to brief you about today's restaurant, which is something called as Ladakhi 100% organic restaurant. I'm not sure about organic word, but I can assure you this much, that the ingredients this lady uses, this is run by somebody called Padma and her husband, and ingredients she uses is absolutely homegrown or got from local sources, local products grown by either mothers or got from villages and all that. That's why her food is always very rich, and I'll say the taste is kind of different, not very blending. That's there, and of course we always try looking for options which are not always having the taste enhancers in them. So she doesn't use taste enhancers. You can call her a climate change ambassador, because she is anti-plastic. She tries avoiding plastic as much as possible, and she does not use the refined flour, which is a commonality in Ladakhi restaurants here. She only uses the whole wheat flour, not the refined flour. We're back again with our traditional thukpa. Not noodles, no refined flour, and as you can see, the plethora of ingredients we have in here: the apricot kernel, radish, cheese, leafy vegetables, black peas, which is again a surprise. You don't find them easily, you only find them in Nubra. Because she's from Nubra, Padma's from Nubra, she sources most of the ingredients from Nubra only. Whatever she can't find there, then she looks for other regions in Ladakh. Then we have this colorful and sumptuous dish called pulao, mixed pulao. Why is it called mixed? Because we have some momo in them, and we have the pulao with again the plethora of ingredients we have, and 3 types of sauce. This is just the normal buttermilk and mint sauce. This is the walnut and apricot kernel sauce. This is the hot sauce made from chili and some amount of radish, and with the red chili powder. I can't wait to taste this, but I just felt like I should introduce this as well. So this is the staple drink Ladakhis have in winter. It's called kunak, which is salted black tea, and she hasn't added salt in here so that you can have it like boiled water, but just with the flavor of tea that's there. You can add boiled water. Apart from that, what I like most about having local authentic Ladakhi food is to be able to add some amount of yellow chili powder. This is that. So if you're really up for some chili, you can just sprinkle them here, and even the thukpa if you want to. It looks great and tastes great. That's there. And so you see there's paneer, there's soya bean, there's peas, there's carrot, rice. Yummy. Very yummy. And let me show you the mok without the mutton. This is the veg momo with soya bean fillings and soya bean, cabbage, and carrot, and lovely. Not a pinch of enhancer or mutton, and yet it's very tasty. I think it now qualifies for saying organic, because it's definitely locally produced food with entirely local touch. That's there. If I taste the thukpa, let me go with the gravy. Mind you, it won't have very tasty thing, but you have to develop the taste. Like seafood, you have to develop taste for Ladakhi food. Melting in the mouth as always. And like before, some soup break. Ah, lovely. Lovely. And by the way, this contains some stinging nettles. So I was just getting the taste of stinging nettle right now. So I'll say this is like a bowl full of nutrients and nutrition to you, to your cold and hungry body. Okay, I truly hope you loved, as always, the dishes we made you taste inside. And a lot of people have asked where we are exactly, where the hell are we? So not to keep this as a secret, we are currently at the Moti market, and the restaurant we just had is situated near the complex of the J&K Bank. The rest of you, if you have any queries, anything, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Until then, we wish you happy living, good eating, and lovely times. Thank you so much.